Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Uptime Kuma using Docker Desktop with a complete GUI-based configuration. You don't need advanced Docker knowledge or Linux commands. We'll use the Docker Desktop graphical interface to deploy Uptime Kuma in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to monitor your Windows servers, Linux servers, websites, routers, switches, and many other network devices for free. Let's get started. Uptime Kuma is a free and open-source monitoring solution. It supports ping monitoring, HTTP, HTTPS monitoring, TCP port monitoring, DNS monitoring, SSL certificate monitoring. You can also receive alerts via email, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and many other notification services. Open your web browser, go to the official Docker website, navigate to Docker Desktop for Windows, click Download for Windows. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Now let's install Docker Desktop. Double-click the installer, accept the license agreement. Keep the default options selected. Use WSL2 instead of Hyper-V, add shortcut to desktop. Click OK or install. The installation process may take several minutes. Wait until the installation completes successfully. When prompted, click Close and restart if required. After Windows starts, open the Start menu, search for Docker Desktop, launch the application. The first startup may take a few minutes. Accept the Docker subscription service agreement. Docker will initialize the Docker engine and configure the required services automatically. Wait until the status shows. Docker Desktop is running. Now let's confirm everything is working correctly. Open Command Prompt and run the following command. That's it. Today we learned how to verify Docker requirements, enable Windows features, install Docker Desktop, verify the installation, run the Hello World container. Launch Docker Desktop and wait until the engine status shows running. In Docker Desktop, click Images. Search Uptime Kuma Latest. Click Pull and wait for the image download to finish. Go to the Images section. Locate the Uptime Kuma image and click Run. Configure the container. Container name, Uptime Kuma, host port, 3001, container port, 3001, add host folder. Click Run. Docker Desktop will create and start the container. Open your browser and visit http://localhost 3001. If you're accessing from another computer, use host IP address and port 3001. The setup wizard will appear. Everything is organized in a clean and easy-to-use interface. Click Add New Monitor. Select Ping. Configure. Name Windows Server, host name. Heartbeat interval, 60 seconds. Click Save. Add more server and network switch using same process. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this video helped you successfully install and configure Uptime Kuma using Docker Desktop. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest IT and networking tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.